How to fix Navien error code E003. Step 1. Check the gas supply. Make sure the gas supply valve to the Navien is fully open. If you have other gas appliances, check whether they are working normally. Navien service documentation lists the gas supply valve and gas pressure as the first checks for E003. Step 2. Reset the Navien. Press the reset button on the front panel if your model has one. Some Navien models can alternatively be reset by disconnecting electrical power and reconnecting it. After resetting, open a hot water tap and see whether the unit successfully ignites. Step 3. Check the air intake and exhaust. Make sure the intake and exhaust pipes aren't blocked by debris, snow, ice, leaves, etc. Navien service manual specifically includes checking the flue and air intake when troubleshooting ignition faults. Step 4. Check the igniter. E003 can occur when the igniter isn't producing the required spark. Navien service procedure checks the ignition gap, spark intensity, igniter wiring, and ignition transformer. Step 5. Check the flame rod. The flame rod detects whether the burner actually established a flame. Navien service manual specifically lists the flame rod, wiring, and grouting among the E003 checks. Step 6. Check the gas valve and pressure. If the gas supply is open, but the unit still can't ignite, the technician needs to verify gas pressure and gas valve operation. Navien service manual specifies checking the gas control valve and supply pressure as part of the E003 diagnostic procedure. Step 7. Check grounding and wiring. Poor electrical grounding or damaged or loose wiring can also prevent proper ignition. Navien specifically lists checking the flame rod wiring and grouting for E003. Step 8. If E003 keeps returning, and you've confirmed the gas supply is on, the intake and exhaust isn't blocked, and the reset doesn't clear the problem, don't repeatedly reset the unit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.